So day 5 of hemping inside the first room, and yeah, these walls are about 3.3 meters high, so it's about 11 feet high. And as anyone that's hemped before knows, that last foot of infill there, foot and a half, is that's the beast. That's what takes a long time. But we've made a few gadgets and tools to help us you know, get by quicker on that last foot. So yeah, overall it's going well. Here we have our mixer right inside, so on the building side, right close to the, you know, where we're placing. And this guy's a little beast. He pumps out a lot of mixes a day. And here we have our stockpile of hemp for the rest of this build. And all these walls will be getting the same treatment of insulation. And yeah, we should be busy here for a few weeks. So yeah, good building site. Nice to be here. This is in Portugal, and going into winter. Beautiful weather.